Super Manila Comic Con has announced its first comic book artist na pupunta dito sa Manila to be part of Super Manila Comic Con 2024. In-announce nila to sa kanilang FB page. Artist reveal, he's none other than Stanley Lau. So mas kilala natin siya sa pangalang Art Germ. And he's done so many comic book covers. Sobrang dami, sobrang gaganda. So I'm very excited for him to be visiting the Philippines and be part of this big event. So this artist was born and raised in Hong Kong. Pero the last time I've checked, he has this studio in Singapore. I'm looking forward for more details regarding artists, the exhibitors, and all for this event. Naisip ko lang, so are you thinking of going to comic book conventions this year? Well, I have some tips for you or things to consider before going to comic book conventions. Ronnie Boy Comics! Hi mga collect! Hello fellow collectors! Ronnie Boy here, your comic boy, and welcome back to Ronnie Boy Comics. Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon, and all over the world! How are you guys doing? Kumusta mga collect? Pag-uusapan natin yung tungkol sa mga bagay na kailangan mo malaman or consider before going to comic book conventions. Number 1, you need to know the details of the convention or the comic book convention. Ano ba itong mga details na to? Ano ba itong mga information na to? Like for example, the dates. Kung anong dates yung event. Ang isa nyo pa dapat malaman, syempre yung venue. Check nyo rin kung sino yung mga artists, exhibitors, lahat you need to know about the event para makapagplano kayo ng maaga or ng mas maayos. Kailangan mailatag mo yan. July pa lang yon, September yung event. Sobrang may time ka pa para makapaganda. So you need to know the details. You have to be updated. Number 2, buy tickets online. Yung tickets, mas maganda kung mabili mo siya online para hindi ka napipila doon sa event for the tickets. For you to buy the tickets. Kapag malalaking events, Comic Cons, usually yan, 2 lines yan. Buying of tickets at saka yung mismong entrance na. So, mas maganda, you buy your tickets online. Para prepared ka na. Nandun ka na lang, pipila ka na lang para makapasok doon sa event. But, there are some events that are for free. These are the best times to meet the creators, collectors, exhibitors, toys, comic books, collectibles, andun. Kaya maganda talaga na nagpupunta sa comic book convention. Number 3, if you want to have your comic book signed, malamang sa malamang mas maganda na mag-check muna kayo sa collection nyo kung ano yung mga meron kayong comic books. Most likely meron yan, lalo na kung malaki-laki na yung collection mo. I-double check mo lang, baka may nakaligtaan ka lang na, uy, eto pala, meron pala akong comic book na artist na yan. Pero kung ginagawa ko, ito yung tip na lagi kong sinasabi doon sa mga nagpupunta sa ating Ronnie Boy Comic Store now, here in Imus. So sabi ko na I always prepare for a box, one short box or 2. Tapos nandun yung mga comic books na I want my favorite comic book artists to sign. Whether favorite ko yung artist, favorite ko yung writer, or favorite ko yung comic book. Ayan, so meron akong, I think, 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 boxes. Actually, 3 lang eh. 3 boxes ng mga comic books na gusto kong ipasign. Usually, mga Filipino artists. So, mas maganda may nakaset ka na. The next one, bring food. If the event or the organizers allow you to bring food inside the event hall, then it's good. Hindi ka naman doon kakain mismo sa hall, no? Sa labas. Usually kasi, based on my experience, nag-spend ako like 7 to 8 hours doon sa comic conventions. Hindi na ako nagpapagabi. Unless may artist na darating sa gabi, then I'll be staying there. But usually yan, from the start of the event, I'll be there until around 5, 6, usually that long. No? Ganong kahabang oras yung ginugugol ko. For me to maximize my time, total isang araw or 2 araw lang ko lang naman gagawin. So I bring crackers, no, yung mga soda crackers, para pwede akong kumain saka uminom ng meds ko. Ayan, so crackers at saka bottle of water, a liter. Ayan, tapos bawi na lang ako paglabas ko ng event or pag-uwi ko. Bawi na lang ako sa tubig. Another thing, here's another tip. Have enough rest before going to comic book conventions. Kasi you're gonna do a lot of walking, a lot of falling in line. Sobrang daming ganon. Kaya mas maganda talaga na nakapagpahinga ka before the said event. Yan, tip ko sa inyo yan. Tulog maaga, pahinga, panalo yan pag ginawa nyo. And also, if you're going to bring comic books, magdala kayo ng matibay-tibay na bag, no? Secured yung comic books nyo. Or toys, if you will be asking artists to sign your toys or collectibles. Be sure na okay yung bag nyo and accessible yung mga comic books nyo. Medyo pinag-iisipan ko pa kung paano magiging mas madaling makuha yung mga comic books dun sa bag. At tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging setup ko for this event or sa susunod na event kung saan ako pupunta. Prepare nyo na lahat. Okay? Yun yung mga tips ko sa inyo. I hope mag-enjoy kayo for this year's conventions or Comic-Cons. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do so. Kung nakita mo na useful yung mga sinabi kong tips or things to consider when going to conventions, comic book conventions, please give it a thumbs up and follow me sa mga socials ko, Instagram and Facebook. And if you're looking for comic books, by the way, message me sa aking Facebook Messenger and I'll be happy to help you out kung yung mga kailangan nyo ng comic books. No? Kaya excited din ako na malaman kung sino mga artist na pupunta para makapag-prepare din ako ng mga comic books. Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa inyo din. So pag may kinailangan kayo, madali ko na lang siyang i-pull out. So that's it for now mga collect. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and as always, just enjoy collecting comics. See you on my next video or live stream, only here on Runny Boy Comics.